All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So defuse and diffuse. So defuse and diffuse. So diffuse, to make a situation less dangerous. To calm things down. I need to diffuse the situation. Yeah, they are always, well, they need to diffuse things. Yeah. How could he diffuse that argument? How could he diffuse that argument? Yeah. He will diffuse the anger. Yeah, anger, yeah. Here we are. To get things to calm down. Yeah. How cool is that? They always need to diffuse the situation. Yes. Yeah. Sometimes when things get heated up, someone might get angry, so we need to diffuse things so no one gets hurt. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, diffuse. Now, diffuse is to spread over a wide area. Spread over a wide area. The cooking smell will diffuse over time. So like this fog slowly diffuses over time. It spreads out and gets thinner and thinner. It diffuses gradually. Yeah. How cool is that? So gases slowly diffuse when released. So certain chemicals diffuse gradually. Gradually. Yeah. So the smell from the kitchen diffuses over time, especially when the cooking has stopped. Yeah. Yeah. The particles will spread and diffuse. Yeah. So the smell will get weaker and weaker. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Diffuse and defuse. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use the words in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. As well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.